In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a TSV file into Google Sheets on desktop. A quick bit of context before we begin. A TSV file, short for tab-separated values, is a plain text file where each column is separated by a tab instead of a comma. It's commonly used when your data might contain commas, or when you want a format that's easy to parse and keeps columns clean. Google Sheets handles TSV files very well, and the process is straightforward. Start by opening Google Sheets in your desktop browser. Any modern browser works, and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. You can open a blank spreadsheet if you want a fresh place to import your data, or open an existing sheet if you plan to merge or append information. Next, go to the File menu at the top and choose Import. This opens the import window where you'll decide how to bring in your file. Click the Upload tab. Here you can either drag and drop your TSV file straight into the window, or click the button to select a file from your device. If your file ends with .tsv, you're in the right place. Larger files might take a moment to upload, so give it a second to process. Once the file is uploaded, you'll see options for how to insert the data. This is important because it controls where your TSV ends up. If you want a clean start, choose to create a new spreadsheet. If you already have a sheet open and want to add the TSV without replacing anything, choose to insert a new sheet or append to the current sheet. If you need to overwrite the current sheet with the TSV, select Replace the current sheet. Pick the option that matches your goal. You may also see settings like separator type and conversion. Google Sheets usually detects tabs automatically for TSV files, but it's worth confirming that the separator is set to tab. If your file contains numbers, dates, or currencies, consider enabling the option to convert text to numbers and dates so Sheets formats them correctly. When you're happy with the choices, click Import Data. Your TSV will load into the sheet. Take a quick look to confirm that columns align correctly and that headers and special characters appear as expected. If something looks off, you can undo and repeat the import, adjusting the insertion choice or separator setting. Your changes save automatically in Google Sheets. That's it. You've successfully imported a TSV file into Google Sheets on desktop.